Hey, good morning everybody. It's day 3 at SEMA, and it's Professor Harder and PT with you again, also known as Red Shirt Day.
It is Red Shirt Day number 2, but SEMA show number 3, don't get confused. There's so many days, they're all blended together.
All right, well folks, we've got another exciting foray into the gasoline manifolds from BD.
Yes.
Shane, what do we got here?
Super exciting. We've got you guys covered on the Ford F-150. We've got you guys covered on the Chrysler Ram 5.7 liter Hemi, and now, big news, we've got the GM guys covered on the 2002 to 2013 LS series engines. So that's
a big year range, Shane.
Huge year range. So we got the 5.3, 6 liter, etc. for the Silverado and Sierras in the pickups, the 1500s. Also a plethora of Yukon, Tahoe applications. If you guys know these trucks and motors, you know they're in a ton of stuff. Check out our application listing. But the important thing to know is all the usual BD technologies applied here. We've got the longer studs and spacers, just like you guys know from everything else, help the thermal cycling. We've got thicker casting walls, uniform thickness throughout the whole thing to help combat cracking. If you own one of these trucks, 2002 to 13 Silverado or Sierra, you know all about that rear stud area on the passenger side and how that is common to pop and how these crack and leak. These have been developed to combat that issue.
And also comes with all the hardware, as usual.
Like normal, all the hardware, all the gaskets, everything's included in the kit, ready to go.
Are these available for sale right now, Shane?
Right now, Paul.
Where could we get these?
Check it out at bddiesel.com or call your local distributor.
Awesome.